coming train. Please hold on. This train is departing.
Wow.
Foxtrot. Please exit at F gates for international baggage claim and ground transportation.
It is our pleasure to ensure your airport experience is pleasant, safe, and efficient, and we hope you have an opportunity to explore all our great city has to offer.
Otra salida. Por favor, asegúrese de verificar su puerta de embarque por si hubiera algún cambio. Gracias.
York JFK, welcome. Thank you so much.
Frank Jr. Good evening. As you're finding your seat, please place smaller items underneath the seat in front of you and larger items in the overhead bins. If you're traveling with a roller board, place in the overhead bin. Wheels and handles first, ensure that the bin will close before taking your seat. If the bin is full, please go ahead and close the bin. Larger electronic devices such as laptops must be stored by the push bag, either in the bag underneath the seat in front of you or in the overhead bin. They may not be stored in seat pockets. Wi-Fi will be available once we reach 10,000 feet. Thank you and welcome aboard. My name is Issa. I'm your flight leader on today's flight. I'm assisted by 3 outstanding flight attendants in the main cabin, and we are all Detroit-based. We're excited to have you on board today's flight and look forward to serving you. Before we depart, please direct your attention to the video screens for important safety information.
At Delta, we believe the measure of a good trip is more than just the destination. It's the people you meet along the way. So our 80,000 professionals are here to help you connect with the people and places you love. And together, we keep climbing for you.
Hello, welcome aboard and thanks for flying with Delta. We're proud to serve you and the 180 million customers from around the world that travel with us each year.
Our first priority on every flight is safety, so before we depart, we'll be giving a brief safety demonstration.
Be sure all carry-on items are securely stowed in an overhead bin. And place smaller items, including handbags, underneath the seat in front of you. If you lose your electronic device in your seat, please do not adjust your seat and ask a crew member for assistance. Please ensure all aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas are clear.
As we leave the gate, make sure your seatbelt is fastened. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and adjust the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. To release the belt, just lift the top of the buckle. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened anytime the seatbelt sign is on. And even if the sign is off, please keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience any unexpected rough air.
For everyone's safety, federal regulations require all passengers to comply with the posted placards and lighted information signs throughout the cabin, in addition to any crew member's instructions.
Smoking, including the use of e-cigarettes, is not allowed on any Delta flight, and federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying a restroom smoke detector.
There are 8 exits on this plane. 4 doors, 2 on each side, and 4 window exits over the wings. Each door has a detachable slide that can be used as a raft. An additional raft is located in an overhead bin in the back of the plane.
All exits are clearly marked with an exit sign. However, if there is a loss of power and cabin visibility is reduced, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit. Please take a moment to find the exits closest to you. And remember, they might be behind you. In the event of an evacuation, leave all carry-on items behind.
It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, the panels above your seat will open, revealing oxygen masks. If this happens, reach up and pull a mask towards you until the tube is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic strap over your head, and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing, so don't worry if the bag doesn't inflate. Secure your own mask before helping others.
A water evacuation is also unlikely, but just in case, life vests are located under your seat in the main cabin. If you're seated in the first class or business class cabin, life vests are located in a compartment beneath or adjacent to your seat.
To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tab and then opening the pouch. Slip the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist and attach it to the buckle in front, and adjust loosely around your waist. As you leave the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest, or manually inflate it by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to each vest. If necessary, we'll distribute additional life vests for children who weigh 35 pounds or less.
Now, before we take off, be sure your seat is upright, your aisle armrests are lowered, and your tray table is put away. As we come through the cabin for our final safety check, please let us know if you have any questions.
And finally, now would be a good time for everyone to review the safety information card, which is in your seat pocket.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck at this time, we are number 4 for takeoff. Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for departure.